New developments tonight in the case of an Amherst County man convicted of killing his wife. Today, Frederick Wigginton was in court on a charge of hiding her body under a slab of concrete. ABC 13's Alexia Stambridge has the latest on the case.
Frederick Wigginton entered into an Alford guilty plea today. That means he maintains his innocence while acknowledging the Commonwealth Attorney's Office has enough evidence to convict him. Frederick's wife, Elsie, went missing in June of 2023. Authorities found her body just over a year later under a concrete slab on the property where they lived. In May of this year, a jury found Frederick guilty of killing Elsie, but they set the concealment of a dead body charge for a separate trial. I spoke with Elsie's sister, Mary Jordan, after today's hearing. She says knowing her sister was not here is still a struggle for her family.
Killed her and then buried her for a year and 2 months behind her property. That was very shocking for us, as we wanted a different outcome. We wanted to see her alive.
Jordan feels today's Alford plea is a way of avoiding full accountability. Frederick's sentencing is set for next week. The family tells me they want life in prison without parole. Reporting in Amherst, Alexia Stambridge, ABC 13 News.